Okay, you guys, so today I am going to be making peanut sauce noodles. Now the sauce for this, I like to use it on stir-fried chicken, stir-fried vegetables, but today I'm going to utilize some noodles, some fresh pasta I had in the refrigerator. And as far as the noodles, you could use rice noodles, egg noodles. Today I'm using linguine noodles. Okay, so I'm gonna start by preheating my pan here. And for those of you curious about this pan, I will link a cookware video that I recently did that kind of explains what this pan is. I purchased it at a local market store, and some other things that I use in my videos if you have curiosity for that. So I have this over a medium heat. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I also will be adding a heaping teaspoon of ginger paste, or just fresh ginger, about 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, and the whites of 2 scallions going in. And I'm going to saute this for about 30 to 45 seconds. By the way, you guys, I recently had a chance to catch up and interview my friend Aileen over at One World Two Hearts YouTube channel. I will link their channel in the description below. And we got to discuss her recently published book. It's basically a great place to start. It's a beginner's guide to traditional Chinese medicine for acupuncture and herbal medicine. I really think if you are interested in that, it's a great place for beginners. Shout out to Aileen if you see this video. It was great catching up with you. So please do yourself a favor, go follow her on Instagram and go check out her YouTube channel. And if anything, if you want to see me in my Zoom glory on her vlog channel, go for it. I will link it in the description below. Aileen, congratulations, by the way. Okay, so this is sauteed. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ground chili paste. This is SAMBAL. I love this stuff. A wonderful bright heat to pretty much any dish you use it in, and it's a condiment. You can add it to your noodles after the fact. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And for those of you that follow me, you know my son has tree nut peanut allergies, so I'm actually using sun butter. But creamy peanut butter works, or if you have crunchy peanut butter, hey, use it. It all works. Gonna work that in and get that combined. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Gonna just work everything in. It's gonna look like a hot mess. It smells great. Now I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of coconut milk. And I'm going to work this in, combine it, and if I need a little more, I will add it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the rest of the coconut milk. Ultimately, I used around 3/4 of a cup. Okay, that's worked in. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. Now, depending how tangy or bright you want this, you can maybe start with a tablespoon and work your way up from there. But I basically juiced 2 medium limes to get 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. And that's it. I'm going to actually lower the heat at this point. And I'll tell you what, I do want to taste this for salt. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt. You'll want to season to your preference. Well, I'm probably adding in 1/4 teaspoon of salt at this point. And if you want it a little bit spicier, add more chili paste. You'll want to taste your sauce at this point. So I'm going to actually just shut off the heat, work that in, and now I'm going to work on my noodles. Okay, salt is added. So now I'm going to add 9 ounces of fresh pasta. This is actually linguine noodles. I'm just going to give that a quick stir to separate the noodles a little bit, or my pasta. You can use rice noodles, egg noodles. I sometimes like to put this peanut sauce over stir-fried chicken or even green beans. I love stir-fried vegetables with peanut sauce. So it's really up to you. It's a good sauce. So I'm going to let this come right back up to a rolling boil and cook according to the package instructions. And it doesn't take that long for fresh pasta. It'll be about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so my pasta is done, and I also reserved a half cup of this pasta water. Now, I have the heat completely off. I'm not even going to turn it on, just with the residual heat from the cooked pasta. And I'm just going to give this a mix. Now, before I forget mixing in here, I'm going to add the greens of the fresh scallions. Okay, so it's time to garnish. I have some crushed sunflower seeds, but definitely crushed peanuts. I'm just working with a nut-free dish here because of my kid. So I'm going to add the crushed sunflower seeds on top. Some more scallion. A little more crushed action going there. And I have a little bit of red bell pepper, but definitely some red chili works if you want some heat and spice. But this is it. I'm going to actually take this over to the table and we're going to eat. And it's as easy as that. A delicious peanut sauce noodles. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it. And thanks for watching.